your lips are numb, and then like, well, they're not numb, but they like tingle. And like, so does my tongue as well. These guys are great.
Good morning, bright and early from Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are here for the very first extra magic hours from 6 to 9 a.m. so that we can go to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It is 5:30 a.m. They have already let a ton of people into the park and they're queuing us up all here in front of the great movie ride. There's a lot more people than I thought were gonna be here already. I told Josh we should have been here at 5, but he said no. So we're about to go stand in this herd and wait until we are let in to Galaxy's Edge so we can go straight to Smugglers Run.
Be among our first guests traveling to Black Spire Outpost for the enjoyment and safety of our guests, and so that as many guests as possible can experience my too. Our cast will begin to guide you further into the park for your adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Are you a pilot, Taylor?
Yes, I am.
Millennium Falcon crew, come on in.
I just love to be in here. It's so awesome. I'm so nervous. I'm the pilot.
And engineers, you harpooned that precious cargo. Now get the move on.
I went the wrong way! I forgot that I was doing it!
So we just rode Smugglers Run. It was awesome piloting, but now there's no wait to get in the Cantina, so we are gonna go in.
We got 5.
Alright, so I got the Bespin Fizz to drink. It is Bacardi Superior Rum, Yuzu Puree, pomegranate juice, and white cranberry juice with a cloud swirl. And it does like kind of fuzz. This actually reminds me of the drink I had at Paradise, or Pixar Pier I mean, in California Adventure. The one that I spilled twice at our lunch at White Lounge. But I haven't spilled this one, so we're good.
All right, so I have got the Jedi Mind Trick, which is Kettle One Botanicals, grapefruit and rose vodka, John D. Taylor's Velvet Flarenum, Bowls Blue cacao, and then white grape juice, lime juice, and grapefruit bitters. This is actually really nice. It's very smooth, goes down very easily. I like it. Nate actually had the Fuzzy Tauntaun, and that Fuzzy Tauntaun is a little bit weird. Like, your lips are numb, and then like, well, they're not numb, but they like tingle. And like, so does my tongue as well. These guys are great. I love this place.
Everybody! Hey! 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 Hey!
I don't know if Taylor told you guys, but it's not even 7 o'clock yet in the morning. So I have chosen to get coffee because it's only like 7 o'clock in the morning. And so it's made with the Peru Alto Mayo Organic Joffrey's coffee, orange marmalade, Gosling's First rum, vanilla whipped cream, and citrus zest. I chose to skip on the whipped cream. $17, which kind of a lot, but it's still good. It's nice. It's kind of a wake-up call, for sure.
I wasn't aware that required an encryption matrix. Because it doesn't. Authorized channels only, civilian.
So there are some really cool photo opportunities here on Batuu. So we actually just did one. They've been advertising for this actually with Disney Photopass, and it's over by this one wall here, kind of by like where you can buy soda, and basically there's cameras way up high and they zoom in and it's like a video picture. We're actually in line. It's kind of a long line for this one. We are going to get the 360 photo here, so you can basically see the land around us. So I'm really excited for this one. I didn't realize what it was. It like didn't click at first, so we're going to see how it goes. So we are at the Coca-Cola stand, one of many throughout Batuu. And we got 2 thermal detonators! Aren't they cute? These are literally awesome. I don't know if we'll ever drink these. They will probably just sit on a shelf.
Alright, so we came in this morning to do extra magic hours here at Hollywood Studios and come into Galaxy's Edge, which was really fun.
Yeah, it was from 6 to 9 this morning, and not only was Galaxy's Edge open, but the whole park was open.
Yeah.
So if you're not coming to Galaxy's Edge, you can ride everything with basically a walk-on wait time. I was checking and everything was under 15 minutes, which is awesome.
It's 10 till 9 right now, and it's still showing everything is pretty much a walk-on.
Yeah, except Smugglers Run, which has been about 60 to 90, a little more occasionally. So
which in all reality is really not that bad.
No.
So
for a brand new ride in a brand new land,
Yep. So a lot of fun. We're actually going to end up coming back here later today because we've got some reservations, and we just don't really want to hang out all day here.
We do want to hang out, but it's really hot.
It's hot. So yeah, a lot of fun. If you can, definitely try to get here and use your extra magic hours. It's definitely worth the benefit.
It was definitely worth it.
You could probably ride Galaxy's Edge. You could probably ride Smugglers Run and the standby, and then get off and do the single rider.
Yeah. As long as they have it open.
As long as it's open, yeah.
Yeah, they opened it like about an hour into extra magic hours this morning. It wasn't open initially, but I think that's because they were just trying to get everybody in through the queue and out of the herd.
And another great benefit too is that you can also do, at least for us today, Oga's Cantina was open.
Chewy!
At 6 o'clock as well. So, a great benefit, you can ride Smugglers Run if you get in here early, and you can jump right over to the Cantina.
Yeah.
And they really weren't even hammering down on us on time. It was really just more drinks.
No, they were not. Yeah, it was just the amount of drinks you had. So there were 5 of us, and we could have 10 drinks total.
Yep.
And obviously they weren't going to give one person 10 drinks, but we had 10 drinks amongst all of us. Also, there were a lot of people that were able to get into the Droid Depot in Savi's workshop without reservations this morning.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay.
So there was a person standing next to me, and they were talking to their family about how they ran in real quick. They made the Elements lightsaber, and then they were out before their family was done waiting in line for Smugglers Run for the second time. So.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Yeah. We're gonna take our little detonators and head on out of here.